Alright, hi. Alright, so... Oh, today was career day. I went to see, missionary slash youth leader guy, and he was really cool. And it's funny, because he was actually the guy that gave, my class, like our freshman year in health class, a sex talk. So that was interesting. I also saw, an actor who was Jordan's mom, and I saw... Oh, yeah, Galvin's dad. He's a paramedic slash firefighter, I guess, and I got to try on the fireman costume. It was really exciting. Although apparently if you don't turn on the air from the mask, you cannot breathe. Like, you cannot. Like, he was like, alright, I flipped the switch, can you breathe? And I'm like, no. And he's like, alright, I flipped the switch, can you breathe? And I'm like, no. And he's like, I flipped the switch, can you breathe? And I'm like, ah. And finally it worked. And I was like, I'm going to give a movie review. So, I saw the movie With It, finally. And that movie is so good. Like, first of all, if you like Drew Barrymore, having her direct a film is, like, awesome. And then, secondly, I mean, if you like indie films like me, or whatever, like, for all the Juno fans out there, it's Ellen Page, again, playing, indie girl and whatever. And, of course, she does that role so wonderfully, so, I mean, you can't really go wrong. And her name is Bliss. How awesome is that? Bliss. But then, of course, her alter ego for roller derby is like Babe Ruthless, which is kind of awesome. So yeah, I would highly recommend the movie, especially if you not only like indie films, but also like action, because they fight a lot and everyone gets hit and such, and it's very funny. If you like girls fighting, this works. Also, the soundtrack is, of course, awesome, and of course, I've already got it. It's such good stuff, like, really good. Although, you know, I thought that they were going to have the Weezer song that they had on their commercials, but they don't, which was kind of sad, but c'est la vie. Also, I highly recommend that we brush up on our knowledge of OK Go music videos, because those are really, really, really awesome. There's one where the entire music video consists of one of those, you know, the things where they, like, one event happens and then it affects the next event and then it affects the next event, and it just goes on and on and on and on and on, and it's absolutely amazing.